Setting up the external serial ports is easy on a Do-more enabled 205 base. Just go to PLC, System Configuration, Module Configurations. This lists all the modules currently plugged into our base. We only have one, so we'll select that, edit it. Let's give it a name. This will be our aux serial, and we're going to plug our control panel into port 1, so let's call that C-more Micro, since that's the panel we'll be using. He'll be serving as an RTU server, so we'll apply that, and then we got to check our device settings. Let's see, that C-more Micro runs at 9600 baud, so I need to fix that, and everything else looks okay. We need to make sure this address matches that of the C-more Micro, and 1 is the right address. So we're good to go there, good to go here, and click OK. We get a little warning. These changes can't take effect until we're in program mode and we download it to the Do-more processor. We're good to go there, so we'll go ahead. That's it, we're done. That's all there is to setting up the external serial port. Let's try it, make sure it works. The C-more Micro control panel is plugged into port A of my external serial port module here, and it's all powered up. When I press the graphical buttons on the C-more Micro panel, I can see the reaction here in the Do-more. When that lit up, it lit up this very quickly, which is C203, which C203 is right here, and that ran this routine, which is now done. So our external serial port is working exactly as expected. Now this business I have going on right here is to emphasize a point. Remember, on the Do-more, Modbus devices cannot modify any system resources. They can't directly modify any of these memory locations, for example. They can only modify this protocol section, Modbus server, these 4 memory blocks right here. These are dedicated to all Modbus commands. That's a great security feature because now you control all the information that comes and goes via Modbus and can validate it before it has an impact on your system. That's why we had this Modbus bit not directly driving that routine. This rung is really meant to be a placeholder or a reminder for us to add security checks in the future. Could the Modbus command have directly driven this routine? Sure. If you want to see how we set up the C-more Micro to talk to the Do-more, go to CMoreMicro.com/support. There's lots of videos there that will show you how. So using the external serial ports is a new, powerful feature with the Do-more. You couldn't simply add extra serial ports on a 205 rack before. Now with the Do-more, it's easy to add as many serial ports as you need. Well, that's all there is to setting up the Do-more to work with an HMI. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series to get the most out of using the Do-more processor. And as always, please send us any topics you would like to see covered, or any other comments for that matter. We appreciate the feedback. Spend less, do more. From Automation Direct.